Hey guys, welcome back to the Crypto Picture channel where I help you see crypto through a clear lens. Today we're going to go over the Bitcoin USD chart, we're going to go over the Ethereum Bitcoin chart as well as the Ethereum US dollar chart. We're also going to have a brief look at the Bitcoin dominance to keep you up to date and see how that's looking. We're also going to look at Polkastarter, which is one of my favorite projects and has been performing really well, and I expect that to continue. We also have a OneInch airdrop that was received today. If you've had any interaction with Uniswap in the recent few weeks here, I believe back to a month. So if you have interacted with Uniswap, you might want to check to see if you have claimed that or if you are able to claim that airdrop. We're also going to go into another airdrop that may be coming up that if you guys want to take advantage of, I will go over that with you. So jumping right in here to the Bitcoin chart, still looking bullish. It's got a bullish consolidation here. I believe we're ready to see higher prices. This doesn't invalidate my thesis on a altcoin mania or bull market. I think that we are just not going to see such a parabolic increase that we saw back here with Bitcoin. Anything is possible. It is possible that we do see a parabolic increase, but I do expect a little bit more of a stair-stepping scenario here, allowing altcoins to breathe every time Bitcoin's in this consolidation zone. And based on the Bitcoin dominance chart and the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, that's how it looks to me at the moment. So Bitcoin is going to continue onwards and upwards as alongside with the altcoins, I believe. Ethereum Bitcoin chart, we've been going over this for the last few videos. Just wanted to keep you up to date. We're still holding this support level pretty strong, so I don't expect any sort of anything crazy happening over the next couple of days. Hopefully we can get a break to the upside. I'll continue to hold my altcoin positions. The only reason that I would probably start consolidating a little bit more back into Bitcoin is if we start seeing a weekly close below this level. So I would want to see one full week close below this support level back into the cup and handle formation, negating the formation or the pattern. Unless that happens, I'm going to continue to hold the majority of my alts. Ethereum USD chart keeps coming up here, keeps testing, looks like it wants to break higher. We're going to continue to see this consolidate until it either breaks to the upside or breaks to the downside. We'll have to see what happens. I'm still biased to the upside unless Bitcoin takes a little bit of a breather or a correction here, because I do suspect that Ethereum will be holding this support area that we've just went over. So based on that, I would expect a break higher. But if Bitcoin does take a little bit of a dive, then I would expect Ethereum to go hand in hand with that and maintain this level. Based on the Bitcoin dominance chart, as you can see here, the market cipher is still telling us that this is a strong downtrend, which is great for altcoins. So great for the case for Ethereum. Could we see a bit of a push back up here to about the 62-63% level from Bitcoin? For sure. I mean, it wouldn't be outrageous to see Bitcoin hit around 50-51K, take a breather around that area, and then have the altcoins continue on in their rally, because they have been going pretty parabolic. I'm sure a lot of you have been making money, which is great. So we have been seeing some tremendous gains, especially within the Telegram group. Everybody's profitable, everybody's making money, so it's great. Polkastarter has been one of our strongest plays since back here at the end of January. We saw this pattern here. We got a buy signal in the market cipher. This is called snake eyes. 2 go long positions in a very short period of time. We took this entry. And since then, we are roughly up about 337% in the Telegram group. So congratulations to everybody that got into that. We could see a little bit of a retrace from here. I've already, as I mentioned in the last videos, I do take a little bit of profits when these coins go parabolic like this, just to pay back my initial investment. I think it's very important to protect your capital in this market. As bullish as I am on Polkastarter, and I do believe it could be a top 50 coin based on the fundamentals, anything is possible. I've paid back my Ethereum. I originally invested into Polkastarter, and now I'm essentially holding this, I don't want to say with the house's money because it's still my money, but I've de-risked myself from this particular project, and now I have a moon bag. So let's see what happens. I'm very, very ambitious for this project. They continue to perform well. They continue to put out good stuff. A lot of people want to participate in their IDO offers, and they have 4 more coming up. And in order to participate for these, you have to hold 1,000 Polkastarter. So there's a real incentive for people to hold the Polkastarter token or coin. And that is what makes me particularly interested about this project, and I'll continue to hold it. May try to participate in some of these. Some of them are at like 4 or 5 in the morning my time, so it's a little bit hard to get to, but we'll have to see. I'll be checking that out to see what times they go live, because they sell out very, very quickly. Next thing I wanted to go over is the OneInch exchange airdrop. OneInch, what it does is it aggregates or tries to get you the best fees rather from all the decentralized exchanges. So it's aiming to be a one-stop shop. You can trade on Balancer, Curve, various other ones, Uniswap, and it will try to get you the best price from within a handful of exchanges. They airdropped me today, which was really nice. I logged into my computer today and had roughly, I think at the price it was earlier, about 1,400 USD for free sitting in my MetaMask wallet. I'll probably just hold those because I did get involved in OneInch and I did write it up a little bit. I sold most of my OneInch, so these are free tokens, so I'll probably just add it to a moonbag hold, or until Bitcoin dominance tells us it's time for Bitcoin to take over the show again. How to claim your OneInch. I have a little article here from Binance I'll put down in the description below, so if anybody needs to take a read and figure out how to do that. Essentially, if you've participated or interacted rather with the Uniswap platform within the last month or so, I believe you are entitled to these tokens based on if you have not interacted with the OneInch exchange in the past, which I had not. I've basically always used either MetaMask to Uniswap or Shapeshift. So I was able to claim my tokens, so it might be something good for you guys to take a look at if you have been interacting with decentralized exchanges. Then I wanted to end off with the last 2 topics, which is a possible airdrop for you guys. And I wanted to go into the importance of why you should try to participate in these decentralized applications, and today being a perfect example. Logging onto your computer, having $1,500 for doing absolutely nothing apart from, making a couple of trades. That, yes, I know the fees are a little bit high compared to like decentralized exchanges, but at the same time, you're getting rewarded and incentivized to interact with these decentralized exchanges. And I think it's very important also from your learning curve to interact with these things and allow yourself to grow and learn the future of what is possible, because we may be going into this direction either way. Sure, the user interfaces and stuff will become easier over time, but I believe if you're in this space, you should at least try to interact with these a little bit. Unless you're a Bitcoin maximalist, then you can, just hold your Bitcoin and enjoy the gains over an extended period of time and relax. But if you are participating and you do like the technology, obviously a lot of us are here for the money, but the technology is also what had me very interested in this space, and I do enjoy dabbling in some of these decentralized applications. NFTs are really interesting right now as well. So I do suggest or say that you guys should give it a try, because you never know what you'll be getting. I did also get a 400 Uniswap token airdrop as well, just for interacting with the exchange. So you can see it can become quite rewarding to participate in these things. So now we will go over the Sora airdrop. So XOR is another project that I'm quite bullish on. It also has a lot to do with the Polkadot ecosystem. So Polkaswap, which is the Uniswap equivalent for the Polkadot Kusama XOR ecosystem, they will be airdropping XOR token holders when the mainnet goes live. And I believe it is Q1. Yep, right here. So Q1 2021. The ERC20 token holders will participate in VAL tokens. So what I wanted to show you though is a number down here. So for every one XOR that you hold, you will receive 94.57 VAL tokens per XOR. So at today's price, it is $198. So you'll be looking at a roughly $190, $185, something along those lines, just to hold XOR. Now, if you do your own research and you like the Sora project and you think it has potential, then this might be a perfect time to get an entry or look for an entry point. That way you will receive an airdrop and it can help offset your risk, right? So, I mean, I don't really know what the value of these VAL tokens are going to be. I know they're for some governance initiatives, but if you don't really see yourself participating in that type of thing, then, you can just, get rid of these VAL tokens and pay back your initial offer or your initial investment for the Sora network. And then essentially you can hold Sora until, you want to take profits or get out of the market. But I figured it would be a nice little tidbit here for you guys. I'm going to try and add one, informative thing that could help you guys, or, help people get a little bit ahead and take advantage of all the decentralized rewards and stuff like this that you can get, or from a participation level, or finding gems that are still kind of not being talked about, right? We want to get things before they go mainstream. We want to get things before they go on the big channels. And yeah, so hopefully that helps. Hopefully some of you will find this informative, and let me know if you're going to be getting Sora. And again, do your own research. I'm bullish XOR. Doesn't necessarily mean you have to be. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just helping you guys find things from my research and from a lot of the people that I'm following. I've been in the space for a few years now, and I keep my ear to the ground. So that's all for today. I'll have down in the description, I will put the Reddit post for the XOR airdrop, and I'll also put how to claim your OneInch tokens, that article from Binance, and my market cipher will be down below, my affiliate link as usual. Please like, subscribe. Just starting this channel, trying to get it off the ground here. I know I'll be improving things over time. Still fairly new to this whole streaming thing, so I appreciate the support. I appreciate the patience, and Till next time, take care.